Welcome to Chapter 7. Documents Management. Part of Practical Bookkeeping Theory. Brought to you by the Association of Practical Accounts. APA.
Chapter Overview. Section 7.1. Introduction is on slide 3. Section 7.2. The correspondence file is on slide 7. Section 7.3. Income and receipts file is on slide 8. Section 7.4. Purchases and payments file is on slide 9. Section 7.5. The wages file is on slide 12. Section 7.6. The banking file is on slide 13. Section 7.7. The bookkeeping file is on slide 14. Section 7.8. The accounts file is on slide 17.
Section 7.1. Introduction. Documents management is the organization of documents received, and filing them. Filing is the arranging and storage of documents in a convenient way that facilitates future use. We need the following 7 files for each business. Next is an illustration.
The filing system. 1. The correspondence file for incoming and outgoing letters. 2. The income and receipts file for receipts and invoices issued, plus credit and debit notes issued. 3. The purchases and payments file for receipts and invoices received, credit and debit notes received, plus payment vouchers. 4. The banking file for bank statements, deposit slips, check stubs, loan statements, plus credit card statements. 5. The wages file for monthly summaries, plus computations and deductions. 6. The monthly bookkeeping file for VAT reports, cash and bank summary accounts, trial balances, profit and loss accounts, balance sheets, creditor reports, plus debtor reports. 7. The accounts file for tax computations, financial statements, plus supporting reports.
Bigger businesses may need more files. Labeling indicates business names, period, and the document's classification. Spring files save on space and cost, compared to lever arch files.
Classifying is the separating of documents into categories that match the filing system.
Section 7.2. The correspondence file. This stores any correspondence received on behalf of the client, any correspondence from them, and any correspondence to the client. This may be more than one file.
Section 7.3. The income and receipts file. This is for invoices issued, receipts for cash sales and received money, plus credit and debit notes issued. If receipts are too many, they can be summarized into daily totals on A4 sheets. The many receipts are still kept as supporting documents.
Section 7.4. The purchases and payments file. This file is for invoices and receipts received, debit and credit notes received, plus payment vouchers. This classification has the biggest mix-up, with no uniformity at all.
After sorting the income and receipts, banking, and wages documents, all that is left may belong here. Unfold, straighten, and then file them. To ease tax and audit investigations, it's best if all purchases and payments documents are on a single file. If it's full, then we start a second one and label it accordingly.
Create uniformity and count by assigning them internally generated numbers at recording time. When searching, numbered documents are easier to find. The VAT reporting frequency determines whether we file monthly or quarterly. Never mix up documents for different financial years.
Section 7.5. The wages file. This file is for wage computations and their summary. The computations show the gross wages for each employee, the detailed deductions, plus net wages. We only record periodic totals.
Section 7.6. The banking file. This file is for monthly bank statements, check stubs, deposit slips, withdrawal slips, loan agreements, loan statements, plus credit card statements.
Section 7.7. The bookkeeping file. This file is for periodic reports, which summarize everything recorded for a past period.
The bookkeeping file. We file reports prepared at the end of every period. 1. The periodic tasks checklist. 2. VAT return copy. 3. Detailed VAT reports. 4. Combined trial balance. 5. Profit and loss account. 6. Profit and loss comparison. 7. Cash and bank summary. 8. Debtors list and aging. 9. Creditors list and aging. 10. Balance sheet. 11. Notes to profit and loss account. 12. Notes to balance sheet.
Either 4 quarters or 12 months make a financial year. We archive records when the year-end accounts are finalized. An archive is a special storage place for old records.
Section 7.8. The accounts file. The accounts file is for all reports generated after the year-end. This includes tax computations, the accounts, plus supporting reports.
The following slides show a year-end checklist, complete and then split for a better view.
On this slide is the complete checklist. It's expanded and split on the following slides.
The first portion of the expanded checklist.
The second portion of the expanded checklist.
The third portion of the expanded checklist.
All these reports should be prepared at the year-end. However, this is done as part of the year-end procedures, which is beyond bookkeeping and more of accounting.
After getting to the end of this chapter, please test yourself by attempting the multiple-choice questions in the textbook. For better exam preparation, do further reading in your textbook. If you don't have a copy, please contact admin@practicalaccounts.com. The end, and thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoyed this chapter. Brought to you by the Association of Practical Accounts APA.